Well, hello everybody, it's us again. Well, this time I'm going to be singing a song. And this is to somebody. Hopefully this person knows who it's to, though.
If not, you're pretty stupid.
I'm not saying no names. So, and I'm not really good at singing, so don't judge me, please. Thank you. Well, here we go. I'll be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you need. Love you more with every breath you breathe, and maybe you do. And strong, I will be faithful, because I'm found a new beginning, a reason for living, a deeper meaning. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna live like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. And when the stars are shining brightly in the velvet skies, I'll make a wish, send it to heaven, making want to cry. The tears of joy for every pleasure and every certainty. I will be surrounded by the comfort and protection of the highest power, the lonely hour, the tears without you. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay there forever, until the sky falls down on me. Oh, can't you see it, baby? Don't have to close your eyes, 'cause I'm waiting for you. All that you need will surely come. Be your dream, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy. I'll be your hope, I'll be your love, everything that you need. Love you more than everything, everything really do. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. Wanna lay like this forever, till the sky falls down on me. Wanna stand with you on the mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna live like this forever, until the sky falls down on me. I wanna stand with you on the mountain. Well, thank you all for listening. Hope you like it. Comment on down
let
below.
me know what song it was and who it was by the way.
And
it was Truly, Madly, Deeply by Cascada.
Well, peace.